We made over $10,000 in 1 week on OnlyFans. And that's how we did it. First, we printed out 200 stickers with our QR code links on them. Then we took a trip to Las Vegas on Wednesday.
I got it. We started out with only 422 fans. It's good, but we could always do better, right? So, of course, we had to plan our move and drink a little. She did. And sightsee a little, but it was time to get down to business. So, we put stickers everywhere. Boys' bathroom in front of the urinals, under boobs, on the escalator rails, and the counters of where you order drinks, strip clubs. I drank a little. She did. On a taxi, on a tree. She made a wish for $5,000 that we drove to Fremont, and she put them on every single e-bike, and she wished everyone would give her money or something, whatever. I don't know.
Sorry, we're bad at reading scripts.
You are.
Yeah, I had an accent for a second.
So we put our last sticker down, and then we headed back to Cali, and the next day happened. RIP, right?
It's Thursday, about 9 p.m., and only 15 people have hit me up about the QR codes. So, it's a bust. So I'm just gonna eat a tub of ice cream and go to bed, so bye.
You good?
No, it was a waste of time.
I mean, at least it sounded fun.
So I went to bed sad AF. I completely lost all hope.
Sad?
Can you shut up? Anyways, my wish came true and my phone would not stop blowing up at 3 in the morning.
It was literally going nonstop the whole week. It was honestly annoying, but it was money, you know? Every time we sent them all to OnlyFans, we sent them Snapchat. They bought. Thousands of people. I don't know how they saw it, but it had to have been the weekend, right? Like Friday and everybody going to Vegas and everyone from all around the world. I forgot to mention we put them on every bus stop, like inside the bus. So people would take the bus.
Taurus.
Yep, they'd message us. It's kind of weird, but we couldn't show it on here. Here's her after she withdrawed all the money just for this video.
I'm dumb.
That I almost lost it depositing back.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just. All right, bye. That's how we did it. Go try it out. Oh, God.